Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. We are from class of Introduction to Communications Group D under Ms. Nur Hidayut binti Omar. First of all, I want to introduce our group members. The first member is Nur Ain binti Suhaimi with metric number 292243, Amni Farhana binti Rosli with metric number 292370, Zulaika binti A. Mustafa with metric number 292225, and the last member is Wandanya Syahira binti Wan Jamsari with metric number 292337. In this video, we will discuss the impacts of ICT in organizational communication. Let's begin.
Organizational communication has its roots in the 1750s in European city. During the industrial age, the focus of organizational communication was on workers' productivity, organizational structure, and overall organizational effectiveness. Through this work, people were interested in higher profits and managerial efficiency. According to Putnam and Cheney, state that the specialization of organizational communication grew out of three main speech communication traditions. Firstly, public address. The second one is persuasion, and the third one, social science research on interpersonal, small group, and mass communication. According to Redding and Tompkins, identify three periods in the development of organizational communication. The first one is during the era of preparation in 1940. The second one is the era of identification and consolidation in 1940 until 1970. And the last one is era of maturity and innovation in the 1970 and present. As with other specialization over the last century, organizational communication has evolved dramatically as dialogue between business and academic contexts. Redding and Tompkins conclude that by 1967 or 1968, organizational communication had finally achieved at least a moderate degree of success in two respects, breaking from its business and industrial shackles and gaining a reasonable measure of recognition as an entity worthy of serious academic study.
So now let's move to organizational communication. Organizational communication is an incredibly wide field. It is also includes the study of all non-message and non-informational issues, as well as the communication that mold and legitimize, such as processing communication transaction. Consequently, organizational research should explain the social environment, social setting, and formal framework in which organizational communication and performance occur. Informal and routine interaction between members of organization are also included in organizational communication. Informal conversation share vital cultural knowledge as well as personal experiences, humors, and socializing. In organization, certain communication are conveyed verbally or non-verbally, while others are done so in writing or electronically. Through communication at this level of cultural pyramids, employees should be able to clearly understand their position and function within the organization. As organizational communication becomes more widespread, many forms of public communication use it as a guide. These modifications are significantly impacted by the media logic and the media formats that emerged within the postmortem era to capture and control knowledge and meaning.
ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is the intersection of governance, telecommunications, and computer policies that specify how data should be accessed, processed, moved, and stored. Despite the fact that they are occasionally used around the world, ICT and IT does have slightly different meaning depending on the context. ICT includes a mobile society supported by the wireless network and a web-enabled society. It also includes old technology such as radio, television broadcast, and many more that are commonly used till this day. Modern ICT elements such as artificial intelligence are also featured. Even though acronyms are regularly used interchangeably, ICT mostly refers to optical components that are connected to computers and other digital technology than IT. There are various of ICT components and it is also expanding from time to time. The field of information technology is rapidly developing. In this quickly developing industry, new tools, software framework, and innovative ideas are continuously emerging, followed by the modern development in technology.
Alright, let's talk about impact. There is various impacts of ICT in organizational communication in various aspects. The first impact, which is job performance and job satisfaction. It is about the organization benefits from increased job satisfaction and improved organizational performance. It can be organizations, technologies, marketing, and so on. For business efficiency, it is about how ICT affect an organization to run smoothly. The effect of digitalization and ICT use on the efficiency and performance of SME businesses. For example, they try to find changes to improving their business by embracing ICT in order to run the business efficiently. For security, ICT and organization communication afford protection to protect business. It is a top concern in order to secure business, such as secure business from hackers. This is where technologies also play a role as weapons to business, and it also can enhance the workflow.
As the social environment, social context, and formal framework all depend on it, effective organizational communication is essential to manage an organization. This can ensure that the business reaches its objective and maintain good working relationship with upper level management and customers. ICT is important because it enables profound shift in social, political, economic, and cultural issues.